You gotta position the rear. They do have a specific jack point.
Yep.
I think they have a special tool. It kind of looks like a hockey puck, but it has a little nip on it, kind of clips in.
Uh-huh.
And we position that way we can take the undershield off, because the undershield is huge. And if you don't position the arms right on the lift, or
Can't
if you
get the
have
shield off?
Yeah, it's a little tricky, it's like a puzzle. I believe this one has it, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Plain away, or do you like?
No, that's good. Very cool.
Mm-hmm. I believe this is a mid-engine car.
It is.
And it's insane. All this space is where everything is. Engine, transmission. Rear brakes are still good at 9